Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna share few more DIY worksheets that I have created at home. In this week's worksheets, I have included handwriting worksheets, some number worksheets and as well as phonic worksheets. Also, I'm gonna share some of the ways to make these DIY worksheets more interactive by using some paper clips. Here I'm using paper clips for making these worksheets interactive, but you can use any kind of counters or any kind of other things that are available to you. So let's get started. Today the very first worksheet I'm gonna share is this number tracing worksheet. This worksheet is for giving number tracing practice to kids. Here on this worksheet I wrote numbers from 1 to 10. This is a very easy worksheet to create, and by creating this type of worksheet we can easily give them some kind of exposure to write numbers from 1 to 10. After they are done tracing all the numbers, you can give these paper clips to your kids and ask them to put one paper clip on each number and count along while putting all the paper clips on the numbers. This way we can easily change this number tracing worksheet into an interactive worksheet. The next worksheet is a shape tracing worksheet, and on this worksheet I made different shapes. In preschool learning, it is common for children to learn to identify and name different shapes such as triangles, circles, square, rectangles. And by creating these types of worksheet, we can practice and revise different shapes with kids, and as well as we can give them practice how to trace different lines and make different shapes. And this activity or this skill gonna help them for a long term for making their alphabets, as well as for drawing or coloring or expressing them in different ways. Again, on this next worksheet I made few more shapes such as star, hexagon, pentagon. At the bottom of this worksheet, I made some wavy lines. These types of lines are commonly made for developing pre-writing skills amongst kids who are just learning to write different alphabets. Therefore, I put these types of lines at the bottom of this worksheet. To change this worksheet into an interactive worksheet, you can ask your kids to identify the shapes and put the paper clips on that particular specific shape. Also, by using these paper clips, you can try to make different shapes such as hexagon, triangle, squares with your kids, and you can easily turn this shape worksheet into an interactive worksheet. The next worksheet I have made is the alphabet tracing worksheet, and on this worksheet I made letter K. In my last week's DIY worksheet lesson plan, I wrote some of the alphabet and I skipped some of the alphabets in between, and I asked my daughter to write the missing alphabets. And what I have noticed, she could write up to few letters, but she was struggling to write few alphabets. So in this week I decided to focus on those alphabets only. Therefore, here I have created the worksheet with the letter K so that I can give her enough practice to write letter K. Similarly, on the next worksheet I wrote a capital letter K and the lowercase letter k. Here, while finishing this worksheet, she can simply trace the lines inside the big letter K, or maybe she can paint the letter K. In alphabet tracing worksheets, I also made letter R. In phonic worksheet, I have covered art family words. That is, first word is heart, and I made a picture like this showing a hot soup in a bowl. Just right below the heart word, I made a simple dot and wrote word dot in front of it. After the word heart and dot, I made the picture of pot and wrote word pot under it. The next word that comes in art family is cot. So I made a picture of cot and again wrote the word cot under the picture of cot. Lastly, I made the picture of dog with some spots and the picture of knot to practice word spot and knot. For the next activity, I have arranged finding the beginning sound of every word or every picture given on the worksheet. Suppose if it is heart, then kids have to find out the beginning sound of the word heart, that is h, and this is way I made whole entire pictures on the worksheet to practice again the art family words. Here kids have to keep the last part, that is art, same and attach the beginning sound for decoding the every word on the picture. This is how I have created entire worksheets for my daughter, and these worksheets are good for practicing basic preschool concepts or the concepts you are practicing with the other activities with your kids. So that's it for today. Let me know your thoughts and comments in a comment section below. See you next time with the next video.